Okay, so we spoke yesterday about fairness, and fairness is the main rule with regards to polygamy, and I think that's the aspect that I really see, which is that you're fair with regards to how you handle things. As for the privacy and boundaries, that in essence is something that will vary from time and place according to the cultures of people. There are people that are more open to talking about things, and there are people that are less likely to do so. And so these sort of things do they revolve around how you as an individual and as your family, how receptive they are to these sort of matters. And so privacy and its boundaries is something that you should consider, but they should really follow the customs and the cultures of your society, as well as how comfortable the individual that you are in a relationship with. In this case, the first wife having a problem with that. This is something that you should discuss and understand, whether you should continue on doing this or not. And obviously, where things are hidden, it's usually better, and it preserves the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala more, and it's more easily handled. When things are out there, it creates all sorts of perceptions. As for the principle that we spoke about yesterday with regards to polygamy, then that was al-adl. And so that's the mandatory issue, that you're just. And so all of these expenses and everything, all of these conversations, in essence, how you talk about them is one thing. But are you being just? Or else we spoke about the punishments that await the individual that is not just Yawm al-Qiyamah. And so that's what you should really be concerned about, even though privacy and boundaries and fairness is something that you should give a concern to, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best.